Hi, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to use text-to-speech on Microsoft Word. Within your Canvas platform, you'll often find a little button called Immersive Reader that does a similar thing. However, in Microsoft Word, it's a little bit hidden within the many menus. Step one, you need to have text within a Microsoft Word document. You can either type that text there yourself if you're writing an essay, or you can copy and paste text from any other source that you can find. The next step is you're going to place your cursor in the place that you want to start it to read from. Go up to the top menu, find Learning Tools, and click on Read Aloud.
The basic premise behind
You'll notice that each word is highlighted as it's said. The words coming across on this recording probably aren't as prevalent as they are in my own ears just because of the way that I'm recording this video. However, it's important to know that you start and stop it just using the Read Aloud button. I hope you find this useful in some way, shape, or form. If you've got questions about it, talk to your teachers on a Teams meeting or schedule a tutorial.